On the Westfork today. First time on moving water in my kayak. My neighbor Tom is down the river a little ways. We'll see what's going on here. I just missed one on that stink bait. So I got a frozen frog here. Thaw him out and get him hooked. See what's going on down there. There we are. Hang on, buddy. Hang on. Nice fish. Put that on a bullfrog. Say hi. Hey dude, this could be interesting. This little guy on CJ's shad. I can't get the crap to stay on the hook. Water's too swift. So I took one of those dip bait rigs. It's got that colored plastic mesh on it. I cut the mesh off of it. What I'm doing is balling this stuff up and putting it inside that mesh. It's working very well. It stays on the hook a lot better. You don't want to eat that cotton, do you? But you're not a 2-pounder, so I will let you go, little guy. Alrighty? See you later. You want to weigh that thing?
Sure. Yeah. He's losing pounds by the minute.
Getting all dry, isn't he? That was a nice cat. I was watching him like, that fish should be going to that boat.
Yeah.
Not with that tail, he ain't going to the boat.
What can we do? Nine and a half. Oh, almost 10.
Yeah. Virgin on 10. Wow. We'll call it 10. That is a nice cat. Get your phone out.
A couple of pictures for me?
Yeah, get your phone out and we'll take some pictures for you.